septic systems.
Okay. Whoa, God, yuck, yuck, yuck,
What?
yuck.
The messier the better!
Thank you for watching. I think you're going to find in this video that a septic system isn't as scary as it needs to be. It's actually a really simple system, and once you have an idea of how a septic system works, it's really easy to work on them. Save yourself a ton of money.
Oh, okay, me teach you. Yeah.
Now the entire point of the tank itself is to collect all of the solids and to avoid any of the solids making it into the drain field. Before I show you what the upgrade is, I'm going to first show you how a septic tank works. Everything starts at the inlet here. This is where all of your wastewater and solids come in. Now once they're in the tank, you're going to have most of the solids fall down either to the bottom or stay up top, and where I've labeled it scum. You'll see there's a gap between the two tanks that allows water to pass through. Now, going from the first tank to the second second part of the tank, or the second chamber, is going to be a lot cleaner. Here's an example in the field. The first chamber, full of solids, and just going through that little gap, look at how much less solids are in the second tank. But you can still see that there's a lot of scum up at the top, and you don't want any of that scum, any solids whatsoever, going into the outlet, because what that will do is it will go into your drainage field and clog up your drain field. This is an example of where solids made it into the drain field and clogged the system. Your water has to have somewhere to go, and if your drain field is clogged, your entire septic system is clogged. So in this second picture, we've added two baffles, and what this does is it bypasses the scum layer. So waste coming from the inlet falls down into the water, and the solids will continue falling down to the bottom, or they'll float up to the scum line. But what that will do on the outlet side is all of that scum up on the top now cannot get into the outlet. That is now pulling water from down below, which is really important. You want all the water to go to the outlet, but all of your solids and anything that has, basically anything that floats, anything that's not water, you want to stay in the tank. You don't want any of that in your septic drain field. Now the reason it's important that all of the solids stay in the tank is that that allows all your little microbes and microbacteria to eat all of the solids up. So that is a good thing. Also a good reminder of why you never pour any solvents or chemicals down the drain. You want those microbes to be living. You want them to be eating up all of the solids and making them go away. Don't know where your septic tank is? I got you covered. Check out my other videos on how to find it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. Please check out my other videos on septic system upgrades and maintenance.